tools we need: 12mm socket for the oil plug. We need a 17mm socket for the filter and screen. Of course, 3/8 ratchet. Now we have Honda GN4 10W30. You're going to use 800 milliliters. And then we have the gold plug with the magnet in it. Part number MP01T. All right, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is just crack this a little bit. Filler. I'll let this thing drain. Of course you want to wear gloves. So we're going to let this drain, and then we will install the new magnetic drain plug from Gold Plug. Links will be in the description with everything that we have here. We're using Honda GN4 10W30 motor oil. Now it's $15 a quart on Amazon, so we do suggest buying the gallon. So we love these gold plugs. Good strong metal, nice magnet on the end. As you can see, the OEM one is just a regular bolt. This comes with a magnet.
So what does a magnet do?
So if you have any like metal filings or anything in the bottom of the oil, it'll collect on here, and then every time you do an oil change, you can take it off. And it's a good indication, you know, if something's wrong with your engine. If you have a ton of metal on it, you know something's not right. All right, so let's put this in, and then we will get the oil screen and filter on the other side.
How tight is that supposed to be?
I mean, you want to make it tight just until it gets about... So now we're on the other side of the bike, and you can see the oil filter and screen right here, 17 millimeters. You take that off and clean it. There is a spring in there, so just watch out. It's a little tricky to get that thing out of here. There you go. So that's what it looks like.
Let's see.
Right here.
Any debris in there?
No, there's no debris, but we're still going to just clean it off real quick. There's some of that gunk in there, whatever that is.
What is that?
So far, pretty nice and clean. Some junk there we'll wipe off real quick. You want to inspect the O-ring, make sure there's no cuts in there. Just give it a nice wipe down and just put it right there. Now we are making sure we use non-fiber paper towels, so there's no fiber in there, which will get in there. To install, just simply put the screen rubber side in, and then the spring with the sort of curved part facing the outside, and then use your socket with this to just put it all together. Just make sure you don't cross thread anything. Take your time. All right, now it's time to fill the oil. All right, so we drain the oil, we clean the oil filter and screen, and now it's time to just fill it up with our Honda GN4 motor oil. Like I said in the beginning, 800 milliliters, 10W30, and we recommend buying the gallon off of Amazon. Just go, all the links will be in the description. Take your time filling it, and you'll be good. All right, so to finish it up, we just want to check the oil level, make sure it's good. You want to make sure it's in between the lines right here. That's perfect. You don't want it up there, you want it right there. Make sure to just go to the description. All the links for everything we use, all the tools will all be in the description. Simple as that, guys. Quick oil change on a Honda Navi with a 109. Peace.